how fast I'm going. Oh! 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 I'm not stopping! I'm not stopping! Ah! Ah! I think I broke something. Dad. Oh, he's on it! Oh my God! That's a 1,000-pounder! He ate it! Oh! Get over there! Get over! I got the rock! Don't get me! There I go. This is a shark look out. Oh, guys! Oh! Oh, come on, boy! Oh!
Help Ben, help Ben.
He's right, bro.
Grab Ben.
Right. I got it. Let's
Get
go.
John!
What the? Oh, you caught the bait already? No. Oh, man.
Welcome to the Chew on This Saltwater Fishing Show. Fishing television with intensity. Yeah!
All right, here's what we got here. This is one of my favorite videos that I get to put together each year. This is our 2018 blooper reel. Some of them are bloopers, some of them are kind of really cool things, but I think it fit in this blooper setup. So I want you guys to check out our Chew on This blooper reel. And by the way, if you get a chance, check out the Salt Life channel below in the description. They do a lot of the same stuff that we do here on Chew on This. They also add in some diving, some spear fishing, and some other really cool stuff. So be sure to check it out in the description below.
Goliath.
Is that a Goliath?
Oh,
if that was a Goliath, that was a 7-foot Goliath! Oh my God! Holy crap!
Oh, God. Oh, my. We're still in it. Oh. Uh-oh, here we go. Yep. Oh! Take long. Oh no! Ah, man, I'm taking off!
Oh yeah.
Alright, it's my first time ever on a paddleboard.
Chew on this!
There you go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Came off. Oh! Came off. Oh!
Help me, dude! Man, I'm taking off! I'm going!
Hey, bye-bye, John! See you later, buddy! Oh my gosh! I'm going up! I still got it! I got it back! Woo! Oh my gosh! No! Holy cow! Help! Oh my gosh! Come on, Stacey, get him! Oh boy, he's after it! He's after it! Pull, Stacey! Pull, Stacey! Go, 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 Stacey! Go, 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 go! Come on, pull!
Oh my god.
Come on, go on! Come on, Stacey!
Oh, I got it.
Oh, you get it?
Oh my gosh.
It's time for me to get this bonita off and see if I can catch another one. Here he is! Here he is! We got a shark! Ah! Ah!
Take a video.
Yeah, baby!
I got it on tape right there.
Oh my god! Great job holding on to the rod. Oh shoot! Oh, that was good stuff.
Gotta take that.
Here we go!
Oh yeah. Can do right now. Dude. Imagine if he wasn't hooked on that.
He lost the rod. It's on his foot. You alright? Hey!
He's got about a 400-pound Jewfish on there. Yeah! That's how you do it. He's ripping that thing up right now.
That adrenaline kicked in.
Oh yeah. I reel when he reels.
Stop that!
Teamwork!
Good. Is it off? No. Oh no.
No. There he goes out again.
I was pulling him. But he's going over.
Flip it over, homie! Might have to lay on your belly again. Come on, David! I'm gonna bite you! Look at you! He's not gonna be! Look at you! He's not gonna be! I'm gonna bite!
you! Me too! All prepared, you guys, and we're going after, you guessed it, the big Goliath Grouper. So let me grab one of these big bait and let's see what's down there. We just arrived, live, real time here. Got you, you staying on. Come on, come on, come on, come on now. Oh, wait, look at that, you guys. Look. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Come on. Oh yeah, baby, come on. Come on, stop it. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, baby. Come on, bring it on. Come on. Turn that thing. Sail. Come on now. Oh, that hurt. Oh my goodness. Dog it. I ain't done. Come on. Hold it up. Come on now. Hold it up. Come on. Oh my goodness. You guys, I'm almost done. Completely. I still think I can do it though. Oh my goodness. Here he comes. Come on, Pops. Get back here for me. Come on now. Oh, baby. Come on. Get back here. You guys, I'm holding that whole fish by my hand. He's trying to get us on the pilings. He's killing me. Oh my goodness. He's right there, you guys. Look at him. Oh, look at that fish. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. Look at that monster. Oh my goodness. Well, if you're anything like me, you just had a blast watching all those crazy videos we did, from getting flipped over into canoes to jumping in with all those sharks to, I tell you what, the way that Goliath Grouper broke my rod whenever I was in the Ultraskiff, it was really something that was quite amazing. And I tell you what, it had my heart beating, and even now whenever I see it, it still brings a smile to my face. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching this year on Chew on This. 2018 was a great year and we had a wonderful time. We always appreciate everyone that tunes in and watches Chew on This. Thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you in 2019. Godspeed. See you next year.